Good morning. Good morning. So, I'm going to attempt to be good and videotape today's vlog on my camera instead of my celly phone.
Because, we have really bad rain, but we can still play games.
Alright, now that the liquid latex is dry.
But our phones are barely working.
What a beautiful
Yeah, my hair is a little crazy right now. Crazy hair.
taco. Okay, just peel it right off.
Good morning.
Stay the night.
Good morning.
And if all of you are if a couple of you are in school,
Last approximately 2 seconds. What's next?
and if you're on break for Christmas this early, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, and hit that bell.
You heard her. Hit that bell. On my channel and hers.
There is something.
Sometimes I don't understand why you would spend $20 on a fake collar. How does that even stay on? Like, what is the point? I don't understand fashion. So I want a $10 gift card in one of the groups that I'm in, and I'm going to use them on these boots. Merry Christmas to Mama. Sorry, that wasn't a whole lot of goodness, but they had the guy literally standing there like watching everybody as they drove by while I was trying to peep y'all a good shot of that Christmas tree. And I haven't taken Alex around to look at Christmas lights yet, so maybe depending on what time Gary gets home, we'll do that. We'll either do that tonight, not a parking spot, or we'll do it tomorrow night because Alex doesn't have school on Thursday. That is the goal. So I didn't bring my vlogging camera because originally I was just going to drop Alex off to school, go back home, bring the dog in. It's not really raining right now, so it's not a big deal. But then I saw on T-Mobile Tuesday, you got these 2019 glasses to ring in the new year, and I wanted to, I was like, oh, well, I'll just go to Target and kill time. And I'm like, oh, guess who didn't bring her vlogging camera to go to kill time at Target? And my phone is acting up and not letting me transfer video. So, hopefully you're seeing this and the other clips from Target in my vlog today. I'm gonna be positive. My shoulder's a little tense today. I'm trying to push my shoulders back. I'm trying to straighten that spine out, elongate that spine, press the shoulders back, have that straight back. I definitely sit taller when I do so, because I'm not a short person. I'm actually quite a tall person, 5'8". Definitely tall for an Asian. So yeah, I'm gonna kill time at Target and then go to T-Mobile, get the fun glasses, and then go home and meal plan. I need to figure out what it is I'm gonna make for dinner. I'm probably gonna make the kiddo her dino nuggets or peanut butter and jelly sandwich, whichever one she wants. Oh, I'll show you the lights, you guys. They're finally decorating the trees. That's like my favorite part of living in this city-ish area, is they decorate the trees.
It was. You're finally getting in touch with your emotions.
Oh, it is not bright enough in here.
You see, that's part of the problem.
But
I'd like them back up.
I got Sakura a jacket, went to Value Village,
These emotions,
spent $3.
bloody inconvenient, that's why.
See how it goes. Oh, why does this keep getting, well,
Crime scene?
I feel like
Right, well.
I never have my camera high enough.
We know it was poison. We know it was. We have to go through anyone and
But that's
everyone.
okay.
Hands and Javier's last meal.
Because
Servers, busers.
I can just come
Dishwasher couldn't have done it.
down.
So many people, so many reasons to kill Pops.
So I'm into a show. It's not new. It's called Lucifer. It's kind of interesting.
Pops was like a father to me. He was such a nice man.
70.
I told my kiddo we would make her bath bombs from her birthday today. So we're going to do that after school. Like we were supposed to do 2 weeks ago, but we didn't end up happening.
Pops worked into
Tough. No matter what you gave him, it wasn't enough.
it. It wasn't. And they gave him a lot.
To the bone indeed.
Did you have any altercations with Pops?
Sure.
All the time.
Nothing I did was ever good enough for Pops.
It never would be, would it? Which is why he left you with no choice but to take matters into your own hands.
He was like a father.
I lost my train of
He was
thought.
like a father to me.
He was like a father to me.
So Stephanie Sue had a pair of boots similar to this, and I fell in love with them. And I had a gift card to Target that I won, and I decided to splurge on me, and I found them, and they were super similar to the ones she wore. Fuzzy lining, chunky heel. It's going to be great with leggings, with skirts. It's gorgeous.
But I believe
So I'm so excited. Look how gorgeous they are. Okay, so I used the box that my shoes came in. My YouTube is being a pain.
I like to know, like, oh, this happened because I'm a it.
Kiddo wanted to go watch YouTube in her room. So that's where she's at right now. She felt really bad. She was drinking water and she started choking on it. And she ended up spewing it all over my bed. But she just got it on one blanket. So now that blanket's in the laundry. And I have a different blanket down underneath my heating blanket. And I did end up getting the boots that I showed you guys in the Target video. They are so awesome. I'm just eating some mushroom pasta. Freezer section, Trader Joe's. It's like 5-6 minutes to cook up. Look at a little lineup. Little Stephanie Sue, little Nicocado Avocado, little Just Kidding News, little Trisha Paytas. And I like Trisha Paytas because despite her size, she loves herself. And she's really body confident. Even I'm like, there are some outfits she probably shouldn't wear. But that's my personal opinion on how clothes look on somebody. She obviously likes the way it looks. So good for her. It's a personal choice that I would never wear something like that. And not to say I'm the best looking. So more power to her. Because I have that confidence. Is amazing. I hate when my boyfriend's right. I'm attempting to up my calories. And I can already see a difference in my body just by upping my calories. Because if it were up to me, some days I'm lucky if I get 700 or 800 calories. But forcing myself to eat minimum of twice a day instead of just once a day has helped. That's why he's allowed to be right once in a while. He doesn't watch my channel, so he won't know that I admitted he's right. It's good. It's got about 2 servings in it, but after I finish this, I'm probably gonna drink some ice water. And then if I'm hungry later, eat the rest of the pasta. It's really good. I'm gonna have to go get some more of that. Pasta's super simple, easy to make. It's super gourmet. So thank you for coming with me on my crazy journey today, and I'll see you guys later.